Hello, good evening, class 7. I guess that you are taking this period of lockdown very seriously. Since we are going through a pandemic called COVID-19, which is keeping us at our homes for our safety. This is once in a lifetime opportunity. If you take this period as an opportunity and use the time very judiciously, that will be your benefit. And we'll be starting chapter number 3, which is noun. We are very familiar about singular and plural nouns, and ज़्यादा कुछ इसमें करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just go through all the tables given on the page number 11 and 12 because they carry certain rules while you change any singular into plural. The most common is s लगाना, then es लगाना, y को replace करना ies से, then we have calf, calf will be replaced by ves, and there are 12 different columns given and which carry different rules for changing singular into plural. So please go through them very seriously, write them in your copies and make different tables and go through them again and again. This will help you a lot. Then come to the practice section. Make plurals of the following. Apple will become apples, ear, ears, lady will become ladies, mouse, mouses, army will become armies, and so on. This is very simple. You just go through yourself, और अगर कुछ help चाहिए होगी तो just ask your parents. नहीं तो आप इन tables को दोबारा पढ़ेंगे. You will be very clear. Then rewrite the following sentences, changing the singular words into plural. All the words which are singular, you have to change them into plural and write the sentence again. For example, a leaf fell from this tree. Leaf fell from these trees. A dog bark. The dog bark. The dogs bark. The dogs bark. So we have to reframe the sentence and change the singular words into plural. The farmer plows the field. The farmers plow the fields. The farmer will become farmers. Plows verb agreement, so s यहाँ पर नहीं आएगा. Plow the fields, fields, and do the remaining yourself. Then there is बहुत ही मजेदार question है, spot the error. There are 4 sentences which carries some error, and you have to check that error and rewrite the sentence again. A policeman ran after thieves. So policeman ran after thieves. A policeman ran after thief. THIEF. So this is the error. So आप spot करिए error को और इसे correct करके लिखिए. Now chapter number 3 is very easy, and interconnected chapter is chapter number 4, that is gender. Gender जो है वो masculine होगा, feminine होगा, common gender and neuter gender. Masculine means he, pulling, feminine is स्त्रीलिंग. Common gender जो दोनों के लिए common रहते हैं, जैसे डॉक्टर मेल फीमेल दोनों के लिए कॉमन रहेगा, एडवोकेट मेल फीमेल दोनों के लिए कॉमन रहेगा, बेबी मेल फीमेल दोनों के लिए कॉमन रहेगा. देन वी हैव न्यूट्रल जेंडर. It denotes a noun which has no life, that is without life. For example, pen. This pencil is lifeless. This book is lifeless. This book is lifeless. So these are known as neuter genders, and there are certain boxes given here. So please go through them. First I'll be reading for you. Author will become authoress, manager manageress, host hostess, mayor mayoress, and so on. Now there is a section which says keep in mind. Objects without life are often personalized as living beings, and then we regard them as males or females. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अभी हमने बात करी कि जो न्यूट्रल जेंडर होते हैं दे आर लाइफलेस थिंग्स, बट समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स कि जब हम किसी की चीज की बात करते हैं, जैसे माय कार, योर कार, एंड शी इज व्हाट अ ब्यूटी शी इज, तो इसमें हम लाइफ दे देते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, क्योंकि ब्यूटी किसकी दिखा रही है, आपकी ब्यूटी दिखा रही है, और कार किसकी है, मेरी है या आपकी है. सो वी हैव टू कीप दिस इन माइंड. एंड प्रैक्टिस सेक्शन में जितने भी वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई वेदर दे आर मेल, फीमेल, कॉमन और न्यूट्रल जेंडर. उसके आगे आपको लिखते जाना है. नाउ कम टू द another exercise, part B. Fill in the blanks with masculine gender of the given words in the bracket. Feminine genders आपको दिए गए हैं, आपको उसके masculine यहाँ आपको given spaces में लिखना है. A dash was there behind a tree and the word given is tigress. So tigress का masculine हो जाएगा tiger. A tiger was there behind a tree and you have to do these by yourself because बहुत easy है, help box साथ में दिया गया है. Then change the following masculine gender into feminine. Masculine को feminine में change करना है. Lion will become lioness. Hare will become hairess. Hare कौन होता है? HEIR आपका उत्तरदायी, जो आपका उत्तराधिकारी होता है, जो हमारा उत्तराधिकारी होता है. And hairess उत्तराधिकारिणी. And here third में here are some nouns. Write C if they are common and N for the neuter. अगर common है तो C लिखना है, neuter है तो N लिखना है. neuter की सबसे बड़ी पहचान है that they are lifeless objects. And then you have to spot the error. Do it yourself and go through these chapters very thoroughly because they are interlinked, they are interconnected. And we'll be studying in the next class chapter number 5, which is a pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. अगर हम बार बार कहेंगे रित्तू की गाड़ी, रित्तू का चश्मा, रित्तू की पेंसिल, तो it will look bad. So we will use Rittu's pencil pronoun instead of nouns. She is a good girl, she writes very well, she talks very well, so she will be the pronoun used instead of the noun. So please go through chapter number 5 very thoroughly and be prepared. We'll be doing this in the next session, so make good time. Bye bye.